Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Remy from Ratatouille. So first we're going to get started with the nose. So in the center we're going to draw in a circle. Moving around that circle now, we're going to draw in an even bigger circle. For the teeth underneath now, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches down on either side, ending that at the same height. And then from here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw a straight line that comes up. For the mouth on either side, we're going to curve this line out, lining that up at the same height. And then again, for the bottom of the eyes, moving up, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. Now let's draw in our eyes. So moving in towards the center, for the arch line, we're going to curve this up and then down. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the left-hand side, bringing that down. Now from here on the top, we're going to arch this line around and then in, replicating that over on the left-hand side. And then now in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small half circle, curving that down on both sides. And then now as you move up again, we're going to curve this line around and then down one more time. Let's draw in the cheeks now. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving across on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. For the center of the head now, we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left-hand side. For the ears now, on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around and then in. And then lining this up at the same height over on the left-hand side. Let's replicate that. On the inside now, let's curve this line around and then across on both sides. Now let's draw in the chef hat. So in the center, we're on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. And then we'll close this off on the top with a nice big curved line from left to right. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in another arch line in the middle. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up. Now from here, let's draw in the feet. So coming down on a diagonal for the first toe, we're going to draw in a half circle, leaving a gap in the middle. And then we'll leave quite a big gap in the center, replicating that over on the left-hand side. Moving beside that now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in. Now moving underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this line around and then up. Moving behind this now, we're going to curve this line around and then in for the leg. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the arms now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line out towards the center on both sides. And then from the middle here, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the outside, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the cheek. And then lastly, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Remy from Ratatouille. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.